Hello, this is Brad Campbell with CIT 336 with enhancement number 5 video. Starting off in the product management page, first thing I'm going to do is validate the CSS for the site. No errors. Go back to the products page. Also do the HTML real quick. No warnings or errors to show. Close those out, go back. We're going to go to the insert a category page. First thing we're going to do is we're going to test the client side validation. So we're going to click the submit button. As you can see, it's requiring us to fill out the field. We're going to go to the no validate tool. We're going to turn that on. We're going to hit submit. As you can see, the server side validation is working. It's asking us to complete the empty form field. First thing we're going to do is we're going to do a category. We're going to select meat and hit submit. As you can see, meat was added to the nav bar. So we're going to insert a product now. Do want to make sure that we tested this. So I'm going to test the HTML for you. No warnings or errors to show. So I'll go back. We'll go back again. Sorry, Brother Robertson. Insert a product. So we're going to choose meat again. And the inventory name we're going to put in there. Let's just say barbecue. The description is a pork butt. So first thing we're going to do on this page after we've done this is we're going to test the HTML. No warnings or errors to show. So I'm going to exit out and we're going to go back to the insert a new product. Then we are going to submit to test the client side validation. As you can see, it's asking us to fill out the form. We're going to go to the no validation tool. We're going to turn it on and we're going to hit submit again. As you can see, the client side validation is asking us to complete all empty form fields, so it is working. And you can see that everything is still sticky that we put in there, the category, the meat, and everything. So we're going to choose a file. Go to Acme, go to images, products. I'm going to choose the anvil. Put it in there. Inventory price 1002, inventory stock 6, inventory size 7, weight. I'm going to put it in 10. I'm going to choose a thumbnail. Choose PNG, location, Birmingham, Alabama, the vendor. I'm going to choose Super Brad. And the style, let's choose purple. And we're going to hit submit. We can see we've successfully inserted the new product. And if we go to our local host, and we will go to inventory items, go down to the bottom, we can see that we have successfully entered barbecue. We have the PNG images and the thumbnail. We have the price. We also have the inventory stock, size and weight, locations Birmingham, style purple, and the vendor Brad. Go to categories. We see that meat was added as well in the database. And if we come back to NetBeans for the rest of the assignment, we're going to go to the library and we're going to go to functions and we're going to hit open. And you can see where we are calling this is our dynamic nav function that we'll be calling. And if we go to the products controller, we're going to open it. And you can see where we are calling that right here in the products controller with the require once. Come down categories, dynamic nav categories, so forth. So that's where we are calling that function. And if we go back to the Acme website, you can tell that the nav is working on each of the pages. I believe this is all that we had to do for this video today. I do want to make sure that I did validate this last page. I'm not sure if I did or not. I'll do that for you. no warnings or errors to show. Thank you, Brother Robertson. Have a good week.